Hello children, my name is Sonu Kumar and welcome in my channel 100 Maths. Today topic is real number. It's a 10th class topic in CBSE curriculum and a very interesting topic. Few things are from the previous classes. You all know natural numbers. Natural numbers are the number starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You all know this. Next is whole numbers. If we include 0 in this set of numbers, with natural numbers if we include 0, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? Then integers, if we include negative numbers with whole numbers, means we have whole numbers and we are including negative numbers with this, then this set is called integers. We can represent it in this way also, 0 and plus 1 and minus 1 together, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Next is rational numbers. If we write these integers in the form of p by q, right, in the form of p by q, where p and q are what? P and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, means non-zero integer, then these numbers are called rational number. Now in rational numbers we have two types. Look at these two rational numbers, one is 3 by 2 and another is 2 by 3. When you divide 3 by 2, which type of decimal representation you get? So 3 by 2 is giving you 1.5, whereas in 2 by 3 you are getting 0.666 and so on. What is the difference between these two decimal representation? This one in which you are getting remainder 0, right, is called terminating. This is called terminating decimal, and this one is non-terminating repeating, or in short you can say repeating type. Repeating, right? So if a rational number, when you represent it in decimal form, either it will terminate or repeat. Now the question arises, why it will terminate, right? So look at the denominator. Look at the denominator of this 3 by 2. You take any number and divide it by 2. You take 11 by 2. You take 13 by 2. Any number divided by 2. Which type of decimal representation is coming? 7 by 2 means it is 3.5. 11 by 2 means it is 5.5. This is 5.5. 13 by 2 it's 6.5. So are you observing, if 2 is in the denominator it will always terminate. Look at another example. If we consider 5 in the denominator, let's say 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 13 by 5 or any number 23 by 5, whenever we have 5 in the denominator, so what comes? Which type of decimal representation is it? Let's see. 2 by 5 is 0.4, 7 by 5 is 1.4, 13 by 5 is 2.6, 23 by 5 is 4.6. So are you observing one thing? All these are terminating. So can we say, if the denominator of a rational number is either 2 or 5, either 2 or 5, in that case it will terminate, right? Now we will see what happens if denominator contains both 2 and 5. Now see, if the denominator of a number is, let's say it has 2 and 5 both, will it terminate? As you can see that 2 into 5 is 10, definitely it will terminate. 17 by 10, you can see it is 1.7. Okay, what if it has powers of this and this? Let's say 23 upon 2 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 2. What can you say about its decimal representation? Will it terminate now? Okay, so to check it, you see we have 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 2. Can we make 5 raised to power 3 in denominator? So we can multiply by 5 in numerator as well as in denominator. In this case we will get 2 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. Are you getting this? Look at this, the maximum power of 2 was 3 but power of 5 was 2. We are making the power same. 2 and 5 both should have same power. So we are multiplying by 5 in the numerator as well as denominator. So what is coming? 2 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 3, and numerator is 23 into 5. Now look at this. 5 3s are 15, 1 5 to 10, 1 11. So 115 divided by this we can express as 2 into 5 raised to power 3. Again means we are getting the denominator as powers of 10, and you can easily find what is it. 115 divided by 1000 means point or 0.115. So this is terminating in this case also. So what is our conclusion? If the denominator of a rational number is having 2, it's having 5, or it's having both 2 and 5, it will terminate, right? So we can conclude it like this. What is the conclusion? Write it in this form. If the denominator of a rational number is in the form of 2 raised to power m into 5 raised to power n, where what are m and n? M and n are whole numbers. So it will terminate. If the denominator of a rational number is of the form this, then it will terminate. If the denominator of a rational number is this implies it is of terminating type. In CBSE there is always 1 mark question based on this concept. They will give you a huge number whose denominator is containing powers of 2, 5, right? If it contain 2 and 5 only, then it will terminate. Suppose it has some other factor other than 2 and 5, then you have to check whether it is in lowest form or not. If it is in the lowest form, right, and it has factors other than 2 and 5, then we will say it is repeating, otherwise it is terminating. Let me take one more example. Now look at this example 6 by 15. If you check the denominator, it seems that the factor, because the factor of 15 are 3 into 5, so it has factor other than 5, it should repeat. But if you look at the factors of 6, these are 3 into 2, right, and one factor is cancelling. So 6 by 15, first you have to bring in the lowest form 2 by 5, and now check it 2 by 5. So now you can check its denominator. Denominator is having factors only 5, so it will terminate, right? So it is terminating. Now look at this example. Without performing the actual division, what can we say about these factors? The factors of this factors of denominator are 2 and 5 only. So can we say it is terminating? Without doing the actual calculation, we can say it is terminating. So just write this terminating. It is terminating. Now they ask one more question. Generally CBSE asks one more question, that after how many places the decimal will come. After how many places the decimal will come. You look at this. Come again. The power of 2 is 1. Power of 2 is 1. Power of 2 is 1. After how many places it is coming? After 1 place. Look at this. Power of 5 is 1 and it is coming after 1 places. 1 places means from the right side. Right? Okay. Now you look at this. I am taking another example. Now look at this. After how many places the decimal will occur in the following questions. So look at this, the power of 5 is 1, it will come after 1 place. Look at this, here the highest power of 2 is 2, right? 5 is 1. So what is the highest power either of 2 or 5? What is the highest power in 2 and 5? So it is coming 2, right? So it will terminate after 2 places. Now look at this, 3 and 4, which power is higher? 4. So the decimal will occur after 4 places, right, from the right side. Look at this, I can show you, but answer you can give just observing the question, not calculating. I will show you the calculation also. In the first one, 7 by 5. 7 by 5 means when you simplify it, it comes 1.4. Is it coming after one place? Look at this. 2 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 1. As I told you earlier, so we will make the power of 2 and 5 same. So multiply by 5, it will be 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2, and 13 5 is 65. It is 10 raised to power 2, 65, and which gives you 0.65. So after how many places it is terminating? 2. Now come to this, highest power is 4. So it will terminate after 4 places. How? See, we have power 4, 3 here. So we will multiply by 2 to make the power same. Then it will be 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 4, and 23 into 2 is 46. So what is coming? 46 upon 2 into 5 raised to power 4 means can we express it 46 by 10 raised to power 4, and what will come? 0.0046. So after 4 places it will come. Fine. Is it clear? If the denominator is having only 2 or 5, it will terminate after one place. If it has more powers of 2 and 5, so whichever power is highest, check that, and it will terminate after that many places. That's it. So students, ये मेरा आज का लेक्चर था रियल नंबर. उम्मीद है आप सभी को पसंद आया होगा, और आगे भी मैं ऐसे इसी तरह से इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस लेकर के आपके सामने पेश होता रहूँगा. और मेरा चैनल को लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और इसको अधिक से अधिक बच्चों तक पहुंचाना आपका काम है. ये आप करते रहेंगे, और मैं बहुत जल्द आपके सामने नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेकर के आता हूं. टिल देन, स्टे ट्यून.